Ever wondered when to replace your engine's timing belt and pulleys? Here's a quick guide. Typically, it's best to swap out your timing belt between 60,000 to 100,000 miles. But don't forget about the pulleys. These little guys can wear out too, and if they fail, your belt can too. It's a good practice to replace them together to ensure the longevity of your engine. Remember, prevention is better than cure. Check your vehicle's manual for specific instructions. If you're unsure, consult with a trusted mechanic. Stay proactive with your vehicle maintenance. It can save you time, money, and potential headaches down the road. Enjoyed this tip? Give this video a thumbs up, share it around, and keep following this channel for more. Drive safe.